Insurio CRM review watch before using. Most people get this wrong. They assume insurance CRMs are all clunky and hard to use. But Insurio combines policy management, sales automation, and marketing tools in one platform. Insurio was designed specifically for insurance agents and advisors. One standout feature is its automated workflow system. It allows agents to manage leads, track client policies, and send automated follow-ups or reminders without juggling multiple apps. This can save hours of administrative work every week. Most people assume CRM systems are one size fits all. The surprising truth is Insurio is tailored for life insurance, health insurance, and annuity agents, offering templates and tools specific to each vertical. It also integrates email campaigns, e-signature options, and policy illustrations for clients. Another advantage is its robust reporting. Agents can track their sales pipeline, measure conversion rates, and analyze marketing campaigns all within the same dashboard. This makes it easier to make data-driven decisions and grow your book of business. However, there's a learning curve. New users may need time to understand the workflow automation and marketing features. Also, while it's feature-rich, smaller agencies might find the pricing slightly higher than generic CRMs. In conclusion, Insurio CRM is a powerful tool for insurance professionals who want to streamline their sales, marketing, and client management in one place. Proper setup and training are key to maximizing its value. Subscribe for more honest reviews of CRMs and insurance tools before you invest.